This is Tiffany here from Carvela Crochets. On Sundays, we make cakes, episode 3. This week, we're making cakes to prepare for the mystery blanket, which starts on September 10th. Let's jump into the process.
Here I am, and we are making cakes for the mystery blanket. Yay, mystery blanket. I need to find a center pole. The yarn we are caking today is from Hobbii. My favorite secret. That is not a secret because I don't gatekeep. I love Hobbii yarn. I've been ordering from them for at least 2 years now. This is We Love Yarn. This is 100% acrylic. It is 765 yards. Am I going to need all of this yarn for this mystery blanket? No. Do I have enough yarn to be able to make my entire fall collection? Yes. Was this a great idea? Probably not. But here we are, and it's already purchased. So, we don't apologize for things we've already done. It's already done. Okay. All right, so let's make this cake. I'm gonna make 1 cake of each, and this is what's going with me to Jamaica, because I leave on Wednesday. I leave soon, and I will be out of the country, but I still need to make the mystery blanket. So we're gonna make cakes. I'm going to vacuum seal it, and it's gonna go inside of my suitcase because at the end of the day, the job doesn't stop. Let's make a cake. Last week's episode, I made cakes for orders. I'll show those orders to you of what I did. This is like the easiest thing in the world. I'm so grateful for it. Come on, friend. And I never take this thing off my table because we need to always be making cakes. So yeah, what's new? The mystery blanket is new. Anything else happened new for me this week? I still haven't heard back about, I applied for a pattern test, to do a fanny pack, which I'm really excited about. If I can learn how to make a fanny pack, I will definitely add it to my fall collection.
To be honest with y'all, this part I'm just rambling. So let's jump into the items that I made from the yarn that I'm winding now. All right, the first is the flower granny square, which is a tutorial that I have on my YouTube channel. Here is the bucket hat that I made. This is the Tyrone bucket hat, and it can be found on my website. The next thing I want to show you is the second bucket hat that I made, which was directly from the hat that Jamie Foxx wore. See where I got the name? Tyrone. They cloned Tyrone. I cloned the bucket hat. See?
Is getting tangled. Ugh. Could you imagine trying to crochet with this and it's all tangled like this? Hobbii, this is not your usual way of being. This needs to be better. You got 10 more seconds to figure yourself out before I cut you. Play with somebody else. Okay, I think it was me. Oh, it's a little hair in here. Whose hair is this? Somebody in Denmark? Wow. Hair guy all the way over here from Denmark. All right, almost there. We get through the knots on Sunday, so we don't have to while we crochet. That kind of rhymes. Okay. Oh, I made marks. I don't know if you can see them here. I made marks on my winder so that when I'm making my cakes, once the yarn touches either of the marks or both of the marks, I stop making the cake, because my hope is that the cakes will be about the same size. So I'm using the same amount of color for each time I'm using the blank. Each time I'm like crocheting the blanket. Now, my wondering in making this blanket, which I probably need to read the pattern again really soon, but my wondering about this blanket that I'm making is if it will be, if I'm going to make every single row a different color, or if I'm going to crochet, you know, it's like at one point you repeat 7 rounds of the blanket, and then you complete 7 rounds of the blanket, and then after you complete the 7th round, you change a color. Do I want to do it that way, or do I want each round to be a different color? I don't know. Oh, let's talk about the mystery blanket. Why do I call it the mystery blanket? So I started this series last year. I've made 2 mystery blankets so far. And the reason why it's called a mystery blanket is because there is a design, there's a specific design that I decide on, and then the actual outcome of the blanket, we don't know, because it's a mystery because I'm randomly selecting the yarn that will go next. So we don't know what the final product looks like. We just know what the design looks like. So that's what makes it a mystery. See, the mystery blanket. I love that. But yeah, so yes, that's the reason why we call it the mystery blanket. It is my absolute favorite thing to do. It's a form of customer appreciation. I basically show everyone different stages of the blanket, and I randomly select the yarn while recording, so it's not, I don't know what the next color is going to be until I pull it out in a video. Oh, that looks pretty good. And it's covering, oh yeah, it's covering both marks. Okay, this cake is done, baby. Done, baby, done, baby, baby, done, 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 baby, done, baby. This is what I do in my house when I'm by myself. I'm always by myself in my house, but you know. Here we go. Center pull out so we can see. On Sunday we make cakes. All right, I'm gonna make one more cake with you all, and then we talked about the mystery blanket. I am going on vacation. Super excited about that. But while on vacation, I'll still be crocheting because, again, I'm working on the mystery blanket. I am going to figure out which stages I'll stop. Like, I'm going to read the pattern probably before I need to read the pattern before Friday. So tomorrow, I'll read the pattern tomorrow, and maybe I'll go on live and read it. Oh, that would be fun to go. Okay, so I'm posting this probably tomorrow night or Friday. But anyway, when I post this on Saturday, I'm going to go on Instagram Live, or Friday, I'm going to go on Instagram Live and read the pattern, because reading patterns is very important. And it's very important that we all understand how to read a crochet pattern. Yep. All right, here we go. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. I'm making cakes on Thursday because Sunday was a holiday. Sunday was not a holiday. Monday was a holiday. But I was celebrating since Friday. Yeah. Saturday. No, we went out Saturday. I had so much fun on Saturday. There was a Black Food and Wine Festival in the DMV area, and baby, you didn't tell me nothing. I had the best time. But yeah, it's time to get the mystery blanket done. I will say that I've had some pretty cool orders recently this week that I've been like completing. I made a denim beanie, which is adorable. I made it's called the Lockhart hat. It's named after, what's his first name? Stanley Lockhart, I think it is his name. But it's like a real cool, like poofy type hat with like a brim. Super fly, super duper fly, like Missy Elliott super fly. So really excited about that. This white is gonna look so angelic on the mystery blanket. Come on, mystery blanket. We about to be out here. We about to be out here doing big things. I think that's good. Yeah. Come on out. Let me grab this centerpiece so we're good. Rip me out the plastic. If you've seen that blooper video, it is absolutely hilarious because I was really trying to rip the plastic and it wasn't ripping. It was not being my friend at all. All right, so I don't know what y'all been told. What's happening? Get your wallets ready. 5-3, something. She said something trap you. Something. All right, friends, I made 3. I should make more. I'm gonna make more and then I'm gonna come back. I need to make one of each. And I need to vacuum seal it into and put it in a suitcase because it's going with me to Jamaica. It's going with me to Jamaica. Oh, I need to make more because I need to make some for when I start. Because I start on Sunday. Bonkers. Bonkers that I start on Sunday. I start the mystery blanket on Sunday, which means it needs to be done before Halloween. It's a big ass blanket. Oh well, I can do it. An hour, a year, not an hour, not a year, a month and a half. You can make a blanket in a month and a half. We got to determine how big we want it to be. Because I'm thinking like a full size. Whichever one's a rectangle. I know queen is not. King is a rectangle just about. Full is not. Full is not. I don't know. We need to make it a square. Or a diamond. However you like to. Whichever one moves or shakes for you. But it's going to be a perfect square. I'm so excited and nervous. This blanket is like, I'm like holding myself because I'm actually really nervous. This blanket is so meticulous. And I recently just did a meticulous crochet pattern and I wanted to throw it multiple times. I wanted to throw it across the room. So, yeah, we're not backing out. We can do hard things. I need to like work out really hard too while I'm doing this because no, can't be stressed out. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more colors. I have a total of 8 colors. So I have 5 more colors to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Brown? 9 or 8 or what? What is happening? I got 3 right here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have a total of 8 colors. Okay, I have a total of 8 colors. I'm gonna make a cake for each of them, and then I'm actually gonna make a cake, 2 cakes for each of them. That should at least last me until the end of this month, and then I'll make more cakes in October. So on Sunday we make cakes, maybe taking a little break. But the mystery blanket is gonna get started. I'm so excited for this freaking blanket. And we don't know what it's gonna look like, and that's the mystery. So cool. All right, y'all, bye. I gotta go and I'll edit this video and make it pretty. Thanks for watching, friends.
Thanks so much for watching. Here is the yarn for the mystery blanket, season 3. Again, as you can tell, I'm so excited. Last week, I also made the boho cargos. This is available on my website for custom orders. And yeah, thanks again for watching. This is On Sundays We Make Cakes. I'm Tiffany. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you all next time.